Welcome to the Applicant Worksheets How-To video series presented by FEMA's Public Assistance Training section. In this series of 7 videos, we explain where and how to obtain FEMA Public Assistance Applicant Worksheets, as well as how to record information accurately on 6 specific worksheets. This is part 5 of the series. In this video, we demonstrate how to fill in the Contract Work Summary Record. The Contract Work Summary Record provides information about eligible work performed by an applicant using contracted resources. FEMA's Public Assistance Program allows the use of contracts to perform eligible disaster-related work. FEMA reimburses costs for eligible disaster-related work incurred under 3 contract types: fixed price, cost reimbursement, and, to a limited extent, time and materials. FEMA provides public assistance funding for eligible disaster-related contract work based on the terms of the contract as long as the applicant meets federal procurement and contracting requirements. Let's take a look at the Contract Work Summary Record worksheet next. If you'd like, feel free to open the copy of this worksheet you downloaded in the first video and follow along from there. This is the FEMA Contract Work Summary Record. You will begin by filling in the fields in the header section. The first field, Date, is mislabeled and should actually read Applicant. Enter the name of your organization here. The PAID, or Public Assistance Identification Number, is permanently assigned to your organization by the FEMA Public Assistance Program. It is available in FEMA's Grants Portal application or from your recipient or FEMA representative. The project number refers to the project for which you are requesting reimbursement. Use the one given to you by your FEMA representative, or, if one is not available, use your own project number that corresponds to the work you performed. The next box is the FEMA disaster number under which you are requesting funding. Typically, this begins with the letters DR or EM, followed by a hyphen, 4 digits, another hyphen, and a short abbreviation for your state, tribe, or territory. Next is the location or site. If this summary is for work at a specific site, enter the site name. For multiple sites, enter all of the site names that were worked on under the contracts listed. Next is category. FEMA has 7 broad categories, A through G, to describe public assistance work. If you are unsure of the category, refer to the Public Assistance Program and Policy Guide or consult with your recipient or FEMA representative. At this point, you can save the worksheet as a template that you can copy for later use. This saves you from having to fill in the header information each time. If you have the same contractors working over multiple periods, you can enter that information as well and then save additional templates for future use. Once you are ready to fill out this form for a particular project, you can fill in the period covering and the description of work performed. For the period covering, enter the dates during which eligible contract work was performed. In the description of work performed, state the scope of work performed by the contractors listed. Try to be brief but as specific as possible. If multiple contractors did multiple tasks, you can also use the comments column in the next section. There is room for up to 8 contractors per page. In the Dates Worked column, enter the dates during which the contractor performed the eligible work. In the Contractor column, list the name of the contractor who performed the work. Make sure the name listed here matches the name on the bill or invoice received. Next, enter the contractor's billing or invoice number. Next, enter the total contract amount for the dates worked, as reflected on the bill or invoice. If not sufficiently covered in the description of work performed, use the Comments Scope column to briefly describe the contractor's scope of work. Once all contractors have been listed, add the numbers in the Amount column and enter the grand total at the bottom. Make sure to check your math. Next, in the Certified box, enter the name of the person who is certifying this worksheet. In the Title box, enter the person's title. In the Date box, enter the date certified. Finally, remember to put the page number or numbers at the top of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Contract Work Summary Record. This is one of the public assistance documents you, as an applicant, will upload to FEMA using the Grants Portal application. To learn more about Grants Portal, FEMA offers other classes, webinars, and manuals. You can also contact the Grants Manager and Portal hotline at 866-337-8448 or email FEMA-recovery-PA grants at fema.dhs.gov for additional support. Thank you for watching.